Tani. Baba lang, Mi.
Yes, sir.
This is it?
Yes.
It. It's a gift! At kahit wala pang nakapangalan dito, Patani, I know it's for me.
For you, ma'am? Are you surely very sure?
Yes, Patani. This is a peace offering. Di ba nga? Kasi
Wow, how sweet and sour. But what is that in the inside?
Oo nga eh. Gusto ko rin malaman kung anong nasa loob eh.
Ma'am Grace, the bride is exaggerated for you.
Alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan. Bakit si Patani? Yan ang inilagay niyo sa trabahong yan.
Nag-ring na po yung telephone.
Uy, Jack, order na yan.
Kayo mga trikers, ha? Humanda na kayo sa mga order. Hindi. Ay, yan na.
Tani, ano na ba mo?
Make-upping, sir, so I becoming beautiful when answering customer.
Ano nagpapaganda ka pa? Hindi ka naman makikita niyan.
Sige na, sagutin mo na yan, huy.
Okay. Hello, ladies or gentlemen. This is Patani, the speaker, and the full staff house deliberation service. What you want to be eating? What? What are you speaking about? My English a wrong mistake? OMG? Wrong mistake? Oh no, not me. Your English a wrong mistake. You. I telling you. I telling you. I telling you. I telling you.